What happens if a sound is so loud, it literally kills you? In 1883, a volcano called Krakatoa exploded, and it was the loudest thing in human history. If you were within 10 miles, you literally
disintegrated.
But get this, people 40 miles away had their eardrums ruptured. Imagine just chilling on your porch, and a noise from 40 miles away makes your ears explode. The sound wave was so powerful, it circled the entire Earth
4 times.
Every barometer on the planet started glitching out. It was heard 3,000 miles away in Australia. That's like being in New York and hearing a firework in Los Angeles. I complain when my neighbor mows the lawn at 8 a.m. Imagine a sound wave so strong it literally shakes the atmosphere. Nature is the final boss. We are just living in its world. Turn your volume down, just in case.
Like for a piece of my